Hey guys, if you are experiencing problems with your computer, turning off every few seconds and turning back on and repeating, and it's like a infinite motion, there's a few steps that I can tell you to try and fix this, as I've had the same exact issue and it's happened to me on multiple occasions. So the first thing I would recommend is taking out your memory sticks, your RAM. I've got two in here. You can't really see because I've got the case on, but take them out and then turn off the computer fully first, and then turn it back on without the RAM plugged in, and see if that fixes it. And if it does, then maybe you have to just change the RAM sticks in and put them into different slots into the computer. So like, see how they are right now, like push them over to the next one and then put them back in. If that doesn't work, also there is the battery, the lithium battery. So you'll have to like fully take out your graphics card and then pull up the little pin to release the little silver coin lithium battery. Leave it out for like a minute or so. I think it will like reset something in the computer, and then plug it back in. And then see if that fixes the problem. If not, you would most likely have to remove, I would also remove the hard drives. It would be best to remove each hard drive you have and then boot it up, because it could just be one hard drive and you might have four of them, so it's better off just removing all four of them and then plugging them back in separately, turning it back on and see if it fixes the issue, so you can eliminate which hard drive is faulty and it's kind of causing your PC to keep endlessly restarting itself and you can't actually turn it on properly. The next thing I would do after that is unplug the cooling system. That's what I did as well, although it didn't fix it for me. I did try that, but you may have another issue, so that's another thing. And the other thing I did was unplug every CPU fan. There was one that I didn't unplug when I did this, and it fixed the issue. Like, I literally had to unplug every single thing on the freaking motherboard. I had to unplug everything. Like, I unplugged the graphics card, all the PC fans, the cooling system, the RAM, all the hard drives, the bloody, what's that thing called? I don't even freaking know at the moment. But yeah, I had to unplug everything. And it literally reset, like it reset, my whole BIOS reset. That's how I was able to do it. Like, if you're able to reset your BIOS, that's how I did it. So yeah, literally do that. One of them should work. You may not have to unplug like every single component like I had to, which was a huge pain in the butt. Like, it could be simple as just removing your sticks of RAM and then plugging them into a different slot and then turning your computer back on. But yeah, it could be something like one of the hard drives, or even a PC fan. Like, the first time it did it to me, I used too much power. Like, I had too many PC fans. I actually had another two, and it did it. I had to take out the two extra PC fans, and then that fixed it. So that's one other thing. Well, I already said that, but that's one thing that fixed it for me. The second time, I changed the settings on the battery mode. I put it onto maximum performance, and that's when it did the endless restarting for me. And then I had to literally take every single thing out of the motherboard, and that is something you don't really want to do. So yeah, don't overpower your system too much, because if it uses too much power and you don't have I can't think of it right now what it's called. I'm so stupid. I'll think of it after I make the video though. But if you don't have enough power in your PC, it's gonna just keep resetting itself. So yeah, hopefully one of these steps helps. And yes, please like the video and comment down below if you do have an issue. I do have other ways on how to fix it. It's just hard to explain right at this very second, but I could help you in the comments down below if you're still having trouble with your PC endlessly turning off and on. So thank you for watching, guys.